What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the Toronto Thrifter Man YouTube channel. In this video, I wanted to break down some recent Facebook Marketplace sales, and most of these sales are from that big 10 by 30 unit I was clearing out. It took me a full month pretty much to clear it out. So these are some items that I sold from that unit. So hopefully you guys can see. I'm just going to show you guys my phone. This was like a cutlery set. I think it was stainless steel. It wasn't silver or anything like that. I had it listed at $80. Someone offered me $50, so I took it. So I sold that. That was pretty quickly. Within a couple of days, I sold that. This glass shelving unit, this I just sold like pretty much right from the unit, just because I didn't want to move it. I had it listed for $50. And this guy actually picked it up and he paid me $70, so I got $70 for that. There's also a mattress there that I just listed and put for free, and then someone came and picked it up. So sometimes like bigger items that I don't really want to move, I'll put them for free or I'll list them really cheap so I don't have to move it, right? So I sold that. Here was a bunch of like it's like a tool set, Stanley tool set, 70 pieces. I sold this for $40. There's a lot of like tool sets and tools in that unit. There's even like a lot of like hatchets and knives, like over 100 that I still have. I haven't even listed yet. I sold this Honda gas tank. I think it's for a boat. I sold this for, I think I sold this and a life jacket. I think I got like $40 for those two things. Here's another Mastercraft tool set. This was like brand new. Excuse me. And I sold this for $40. This was in that unit as well. Here's a post hole digger. There's tons of tools like this. This I got $30. These ones I sold early on, like when we were clearing it out, I just started listing stuff from the unit, so I didn't have to move it. I just sold everything like directly from the unit. And yeah, here's another axe. I sold this for $30. Like I said, I have tons of these I still haven't listed. Here's a dresser. I sold this for $40. Didn't have to move it. The guy came and picked it up. This was cool. This is like a vintage JBC boombox. I had it listed at $120. It didn't, the CD like tray, like the top, it didn't close properly, and it was a little bit beat up. The condition wasn't great, so I took an offer for $80. And I also have another Panasonic 5 disc changer stereo system, vintage from 1999. I haven't listed it yet. I'm not sure if I'm gonna keep it or not. Here's another bigger item. It's like a small freezer. I sold this early on. Guy came, picked it up for $40. Same with this lawnmower, Club Cadet lawnmower. This was the first thing I sold actually, and it was for parts. It looked like it had a lot of issues, so I just sold it for $40. Let's see what else I have here. This was in the unit as well. I sold this on eBay. This Sony Walkman. It was working. It was in pretty good condition. So I listed it. It took a little while to sell. I sold it for $50 US. And yeah, that was in that unit. Now this was, I had this listed for a while. This was I counted up all the dollar store items. There's tons of dollar store items that were in this unit, in this 10 by 30 unit. So we just kind of, put them all together. We counted everything up. There's 2,700 pieces of brand new dollar store stuff, mostly like Dollarama stuff. And actually, I didn't sell this on Marketplace. I just called a local bin store and I just told them like what I had, and the guy was interested. He just told me to send him some photos. I sent him a couple of videos, and we worked out a deal. Now I think I probably could have got more. I was thinking I'll get closer to like maybe 40 cents, but you know, it was taking up a lot of space in my unit. I want to move it quick, so we settled on $500. So I just delivered that to him, and yeah, that was pretty good, because that was the first person I called and he was interested. So yeah, I sold that. I got $500. That basically covered all like the costs that I had with the unit. So now everything is pretty much profit. I sold this harness. This is like $20 construction harness. This like bundle of firewoods. All this firewood here. I sold this for $50. There's all these charcoal packs, brand new. I sold those for $20. I sold this cooler, this like patio cooler. I thought I would get more for this, but I ended up just selling it for $20. And what else do I have? I'm just showing you guys pretty much stuff from that unit. All these like bundles of butane. They're pretty much all like full. There's 30 of them. I sold those for $30. This axe, like I said, I have tons of these. I sold this for $20. I have tons of those. All these tarps here. There's 27 tarps. These are all brand new. I got $40 for all those tarps. And that's pretty much it for now. I mean, I did sell other stuff too, but for cheaper. Like there's a lot of like portable barbecues, and there's like some jumper cables and like smaller stuff I sold for $20. But that's like most of the stuff I sold so far. So Facebook Marketplace has been doing well for me. Like I said in previous videos, you know, it's easy to list stuff, and you know, you don't have to pay any fees. You don't have to worry about shipping, which I like. Now there are negatives, obviously, with, you know, you have to deal with, you know, people that, you know, don't show up and like they're not serious. But I mean, that's just part of like, you know, that's just part of selling, right? So every marketplace has its, you know, advantages and disadvantages. But for where I'm at right now, for what I'm doing, you know, marketplace has been working well. So that's kind of like an update video of what I've been selling, and the items I've been selling. And you know, we finally cleared out that unit, and I actually bought another unit recently. I did a short, a YouTube short. I'll put it in the description below. You guys can check it out. Found some artwork, so that's probably going to be going up on Marketplace soon. I'm gonna see how much I can get for that. I don't really know, but I'm gonna do another video if I can sell, you know, that stuff for decent money. I'll do another video on that. But yeah, that's the video. Just want to show you guys what I've been selling, what I've been up to. I really appreciate all my new subscribers, and I'm gonna try to do a live every Monday at 7 o'clock. So if you guys are interested, we're just gonna talk about like reselling. If you guys have any questions, you can ask them in the live, and I'm gonna try to, you know, do that consistently every Monday at 7. So thanks for watching, guys. I really appreciate all the support and all the subscribers that have recently joined, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Peace.